Jordan. Jordan. It's time to wake up, honey. I have a surprise for you. I have a surprise. Today's the day. Disneyland Day.
What?
Disneyland Day.
Going to Disneyland?
Yeah.
You said we weren't going.
I was teasing. We're going today. You and me, right now.
Awesome.
You ready?
Oh, I'm really tired.
Do you want to go?
Mm-hmm.
Would you rather go back to sleep?